Now let's go over how to use this kit. Within your kit, you'll receive a Roland V-1HD HD video switcher. Within this video switcher, you'll notice that we have multiple buttons that are lit up. So on this board right here, you'll notice that we have input 1, 2, 3, and 4. You notice how input 1 is lit in red, input 2 is in white, input 3 is currently off, and input 4 is in white as well. So what this tells me right now is we have something on input 1 that is active, something on input 2 that is active, input 3 is currently not active, and input 4 is currently active. You notice how we have two rows. We have an A row and a B row. What's really nice about this is we can have A is currently active, which is in red. And on the B row, you'll notice 2, which is currently green, which means that it is in queue. So to easily switch between cameras A and B, you have this little dial knob right here. You can also use these transform switches if you want to. So let's go ahead and move from camera 1, which is an input 1, to camera 2. So let's go ahead and move to camera 2. And let's move back to camera 1. So you notice how easy it was to move between cameras. What's also really nice about this system is we can do what is known as picture-in-picture mode. So right over here, you notice on the effects button, we have A. So let's go ahead and turn A on. So what's really nice about this is you can now see that we have a picture-in-picture. On the bottom right-hand corner of the screen, you can see this board here. And then in the larger screen, you can see me. Go ahead and turn that off. If at any point in time you want to fade completely to black or white, you notice this little dial over here on the left-hand side. This is the out and in fade. So if you want to fade to black or fade to white, it's as easy as turning that knob. All right, so we went over how to do quick transitions between one input that is active to a input on B that is queued. Let me go ahead and show you how to quickly switch between different inputs. Okay, you'll see here on our board how I have currently active on B, input 1. On A, 2 is queued. So camera 1 is the camera that's currently set to my board. Camera 2 is currently set to show me. And then camera 4 is currently set to my laptop. So you can either switch easily between A and B, or you can also do this. So let's go ahead and go back onto the board here. If you want to switch quickly between inputs, all you have to do is tap. So right now we're on input camera 1. If I select 2, it's going to switch to me. If we select 4, it's going to switch to the laptop. So once again, 1 is the board, 2 is me, 4 is the laptop. So that's how you quickly and easily switch inputs on just one channel. So you don't have to blend between B and A if you don't want to. That's an option that's available. If, let's say for instance, I want to blend, I can now use this here or the transformer buttons to quickly blend between cameras 1 and 2. Or let's say for instance, if I am talking, which you can now see me, and I want to blend very, very quickly between 2 and 4. So I'll make 2 active, and then I'll quickly switch between 2 and 4 as a blend. So these are some of the basic functions of the Roland V-1HD HD video switcher. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to me, casey.corbett@thermofisher.com. And thanks once again.